Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to merge multiple PDF files into one PDF file. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Click on the search bar and search for I Love PDF. Press Enter, then click on the official I Love PDF website from the search results. On the I Love PDF homepage, you'll see different PDF tools. Click on the Merge PDF tool. Now click the Select PDF Files button. Browse your computer and select the PDF files you want to merge. After selecting the files, press Open or Enter to upload them. Wait a few moments while your PDF files are uploaded to the website. Once the upload is complete, you can rearrange the files by dragging and dropping them into the order you want. For example, you can move the first PDF to the third position, or change the sequence however you like. After arranging the files, click the Merge PDF button. The website will take a few moments to combine all the selected PDF files into a single document. Once the process is complete, click the Download Merged PDF button. The merged PDF file will be successfully downloaded to your device. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.